Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the disintegration effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is separate our subject from our background. Grab the object selection tool and click on our subject. When you've done that, press Command J or Ctrl J on PC to duplicate the layer. And as you can see, we removed our background. Go ahead and duplicate this layer again. Click on the bottom layer, select Adjustment Layers, and select Solid Color. Select it to white. Now let's grab the crop tool to expand our canvas a little bit. By holding Shift, let's grab these two layers and move them to the center of our canvas. Select the bottom layer and go to Filter and select Liquify. Let's drag our subject across the left side of the screen. When you got something that looks like this, press OK. Now with the bottom layer selected, hold Option or on PC Alt and create a layer mask. Grab the brush tool, go to brushes, select Kyle's Spatter brush. Put the size to something bigger and start drawing behind our subject. Make sure to make it more dense the closer it is to the subject. Now grab our top layer and create a mask. Make sure you have the black color selected, grab a soft brush and start erasing the sides of our subject. Now select the bottom layer's mask and again select Kyle's Spatter brush and this time select the color as black and start painting over the parts where you want the disintegration to happen. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.